Hi, I'm Trudy. I'm doing the Diploma of Paramedical Science at APC and I come from Deepwater, New South Wales. Because of our small community, we have a volunteer ambulance first response group. The New South Wales Ambulance provide us with a basic level of training to support our community because we have a delay for ambulance to arrive where we are. My dad's always said to me, knowledge is no burden to carry, and I've come across a few situations in my volunteering role where I went, oh man, if only I could do more, if only I knew more, to be able to support someone, guide someone, save someone's life. I feel very fortunate to have been able to study with APC. Like, the student support are amazing and they never make you feel inadequate on the phone, always there to help, always there to prompt or provide whatever you need. The workshops here and the hands-on experience here just develop confidence in your own ability. I'm not an academic, I'm a hands-on person, and to get the quantity of hands-on that you get in the workshops is priceless.